Hi my friends, today we model this part. It seems to be complicated, but it is not complicated. This is the drawing, very few dimensions here. We start by creating this contour, 60, radius 21, radius 46. We extrude it on 30. Then we focus on this contour, radius 70, and we'll extrude on 42 as intersection, my friends, not as join, not cut, but intersection, and we obtain the main body. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, this plane, then a vertical line of 60, we place the center of the line over the center point. We move this dimension to the right and we make it center line. Then we place two circles. The radius is 21, radius 21, and the other is equal with the first one, equal to these two. We continue with an arc starting from this point, going on vertical as possible as we can, and the radius of 46. Tangent are this and this, and we have a fully constrained sketch. Mirror of this entity about this axis. Apply. Trim this and this. We still have fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Extrude on 30. Then we use the plane YZ for a new sketch, F7, and we project some lines, this generator, this line, also this generator and this line. Once again we create an arc going vertical to this, and it will be tangent to this, horizontal because Z is vertical. Radius 70. We project also this and this. Now we have a close contour here. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical on 42, and intersect. Yes. Okay. If you take a look here, you see radius 5. This is radius 5. Okay. Next are these two cylinders. diameter of 28 for both, and the extrusion of 30 once again. We don't have a flat here at this dimension, so that we have to use this dimension. This face, new sketch, project these two arcs, circle of 28, diameter of 28, then another circle equal to the first one. Finish sketch, extrude, 1, 2, the other direction with join at 30. Okay. Here you see radius 2. Radius 2, and we'll have also radius 2 for this perpendicular cylinder. That cylinder is 26, no problem, in the middle, at a distance of 17. This is 2, this is also 2. Okay. Then we use this plane, F7, circle, diameter of 26, diameter 26, placed on the same horizontal. This is horizontal. Between these 2 points, and 17, the dimension to the center point. Okay. Extrude, symmetrical at 42. Okay. Once again, fillet, radius 2. Okay. Now we see that this body is empty. The thickness is 3 millimeters. Good. We use the tool shell with 3 millimeters thickness, and we select faces to be eliminated. Okay. This is the part, my friends. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and now the lottery tells us that this is exactly the same. Cancel, we keep this dimension, this volume. Then we select the material to be stainless steel. We apply view with the visual style shaded, simple shaded, and default IBL to be default lights. if you try to compare the two, you don't see any difference. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.